Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make very easy one-bowl breakfast. It's super easy and budget-friendly one-bowl dish that you can whip up in 3 minutes. I wish I knew how to do this when I was a uni student. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion rice pot, 1 egg, some tempura bits, or you can use fried onion instead, sliced green onion or chive or scallion, and mentsuyu sauce. I'm making soft-boiled egg first. So crack 1 egg in a small bowl. $50 ml of water all over the egg. Using toothpick, poke the egg yolk so that it doesn't explode. And microwave this. 50 to 60 seconds at 600 watts, depending on the size of your egg. Drain the water using tea strainer. Let's heat up the rice. 1 minute at 800 watts. Make sure the rice is steaming hot. Otherwise, it won't regain the softness and fluffiness. Let's put it in the bowl here. Fluff it. Tempura bits, soft-boiled egg, green onion, and some mentsuyu sauce to your taste. And one more breakfast for one. It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's such a simple dish, but fluffy rice, creamy egg, crispy green onion, crunchy tempura bits, and savory mentsuyu sauce. Everything is so well harmonized and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. It's meal for one, and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself. So let's keep the whole meal nice and simple. The rice bowl goes here, and let's pass the main. Instant miso soup here. Some sort of pickles to add crunchy texture to the meal, and let's forget about the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.